This video is going to be the only video you have to watch once you hit your 3,000 watch hour or 4,000 watch hour inclusion with your 500 or 1,000 subscribers. So just stick around to this video. It's going to show you from the day one application down to the process whereby you are going to add your bank account attached to your AdSense pin. So let's go into the video how I go into monetization process. All right, let's go. First thing first, once you hit your 4,000 watch hour or 3,000, you're going to see the apply button. Click on apply now. Then a new interface is going to open where you're going to see the steps to apply. They have 3 parts, okay? All of them are something. Now the first one, you click to review your channel, and you are going to read through the steps, the rules and regulations about monetization. So the next thing, you are going to hit on apply. So once you click on that, you are going to wait for 24 hours as at the time you hit on I accept the base terms. Okay, so YouTube is also going to go through their manual or AI system of checking your channel to check your video. If there is any violation, or if you use content, you will not be able to pass through this part. Okay, so make sure you check your channel properly first before you go to this process. All right, so before you'll be able to create your AdSense account, you must have reached a threshold of $10 threshold. That is why it's advisable, once you even have 3,000 watch hour on your channel, go ahead to start applying for your monetization process so that you can actually get super chat, because that alone will help you to get your $10 threshold first. All right, for your account to be open. So if you have an existing account on AdSense, you click yes, but if not, say no. Then you attach your channel email address to it. So once you click on it, you click on start for your AdSense process to continue. All right, so for me, I had to go to my Google to continue from my AdSense dashboard. So I read through the AdSense YouTube terms and conditions. After that, I proceed to customer information. I started filling my information, my account name, my address, my sub, town, city, postcode. These are my information. I started putting my information one step at a time. Then I will dig to YouTube Studio app. So everything after doing that, you see it's in progress. And then I still went to my dashboard to go continue if there's any other thing. If you cannot, there's some things that will not be able to open from your AdSense dashboard. You will just go to that particular place to do that. Some of all these things takes time before they actually come for you. It take 1 week, 2 weeks, it depends. Then I was approved that I'm now eligible to earn. Right now, I've been able to unlock the partial monetization because I apply using my 3,000 watch hour on YouTube. Everything you do has time. It takes time for them to process it and accept it. When you apply for your membership and all that, it will take time for YouTube to approve it. So when they approve it, you can also go ahead to do other things. So all these things are for me to be able to start earning while I await my channel to get its 4,000 watch hour. So after this, I was now welcome to the YouTube partnership program. So the next step that I need to do is to go for one online verification. This is the new method. A lot of people are being able to apply for monetization without waiting to get an AdSense pin from post office. So make sure you are using the verified identity, because by default you are going to be asked to verify your identification online. Never you go ahead to press use by ID and receive PIN by mail verification. Verify now using the online verification. It will even take up to 24 hours. So I click on verify identity with persona. So the first thing you are going to see on this part is your location. Make sure you're putting your country of residence where you reside. Then the next thing you have to do, your verified document you want. For me, I use my NIE passport. You can see, make sure you are using the plastic. You are going to capture the front and the back, and you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to snap it and imprint. The camera here is going to snap it for you. All right, so after that, it's going to be processed. After it has captured my name, it brought out my name, and I found out that my first name or my last name was not spelled correctly, so I had to change it by myself. I corrected it to have everything that needed to be there, because if you make one mistake, you are not going to get to the next level. My address, everything was checked, and then I was asked to check my face. This is the face part for me to verify my face, and most times this is where people get it wrong. Those people that do faceless channel, because they don't have their face, so they have to verify my face. I turn my face, and once I'm done, it's gonna say congratulations, I have been able to verify my identity. Are you seeing it? It's as simple as ABC. You don't have to wait till YouTube is going to send a pin to your YouTube or to your post office. Okay, now to proceed to apply for the other things left, such as our tax information. For us to be able to put our tax, you are going to press or click on this three double line here. Then you proceed to payment. Then on payment, you will now click on payment info. Now this is the info. Currently I have zero account because the money I have paid thus far has not been transferred to my AdSense account. Yeah, you are going to see a detail of your information. These informations are the information you've already uploaded while creating your AdSense pin in the beginning. So basically what we want to do here is more of you want to put your phone number and then add in your tax information. Then click on the pencil icon close to the United States tax info. Okay, then you will see an interface like this. Then click on add info. Then once you are done clicking the add info, it will open an interface whereby a form will open. You click on the start form. Immediately you will be asked to put your channel email address. Go ahead to put your channel email address as well. Then the questions are going to come up. Make sure you are looking at this precisely. Then go ahead to start taking the precise answer to each question as related to your channel. So since your channel is an individual, you will start with the W8BN form. Now this session has 8 pattern till you get to your final destination. So we'll start going one after the other. By default, your identity, which is your name, is already there by default, and this name is supposed to be the name that is going to be attached, that is the same to your bank account. Make sure you are putting the name that will be matched to your bank account. Then I go about, and then the next thing I'm going to put my foreign pin, which is my TIN number, your tax TIN. It is important you put in your tax pin. Go ahead to add your tax pin on that foreign part, okay? And your country of location, which is your address. Make sure you are putting Nigeria. Don't go and put United States, or don't go and put any other state though. The next question is for your tax treaties. I put no. Be reading all the rules and regulations here attached to it. Okay, for time purposes, I am just going to be marking everything so that you're going to see what I'm going to be doing. I've already attempted all this. All these parts need to be answered judiciously. And now the document, okay? Now this is the preview to what I have already done. Then once it's successful, I am going to as well as confirm my details. Okay, so as I'm satisfying, I'm going to click on the under penalty, go through the rules and regulation. By default, you are definitely going to answer yes, right? Now this part is just it's not as serious, but you must attempt to it. Okay, then you go as well to write yes. So once everything checkmate and is correct, you are going to get approved. Otherwise it's going to show decline. So but mine was approved. Now we are on the final stage, adding your bank account. Now this part usually take time, especially most time it's going to be open on the 12th of each month to be open for you to apply, because now you cannot enter that. And mind you, you must get a $100 threshold on your channel before you can go ahead to put your bank account, and your bank account must be a dollar account if you're in Nigeria. Now that you have gotten your $100 threshold, all you have to do is click on the 3 arrow at the top, then click payment, then payment info. The interface of your account details is going to be open so that you can actually go ahead to put your account. Then you click on add payment method, because currently now it shows that I don't have an account linked to it. Make sure you have already created your domiciliary account, because it is advisable you have a domiciliary account for Nigeria. The next part is to make sure that you are putting it to add new wire transfer details, because you want the money to be wired to your account directly, and this is as a result as you are in Nigeria. A form will open which contains where you are going to fill in your details. It's advisable you go to the bank to know all these details, and make sure your bank account names is what you are putting, then your bank name fully. One thing you must be certain about is that all the names you have used so far coming forward to this part must not be different from your bank name or for your name or the document you use. They all must be the same. So after that, this is how you're going to see that your account has been merged. Now that you have gone ahead to do this, you will wait for some days for YouTube to verify your account details and everything, and then they're going to say setup completed. So as I was about to upload this, my AdSense pin came into my account being on the 21, and this was what I had on my balance before then, and this was now what I was paid to my own dollar account. So I will need to go to the bank. So check the difference for yourself. All right, if you know that YouTube is actually worth the work at the long run, so let me know in the comment section. And thank you all for watching, and see you on my next video, and I wish you monetization soon if you are yet to get there.